Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to install Geometry Dash app on iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on App Store. Then tap on search bar. Okay, then search on. Okay, then this app is paid, then same work, then light version. Okay, just click, then get, then install, then password. Okay, then app is loading, just wait few minutes, then download it. Okay, then download app, then home screen, this app, just click and open. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.